Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we will discuss some more problems related to averages. Let's see the first question in this session. Find the average of first 50 consecutive odd numbers. Find the average of first 50 consecutive odd numbers. Guys, this concept I already explained while we are discussing about the introduction of averages. Here the concept involved in this is average of average of first n consecutive, the average of first n consecutive odd numbers. Average of first n consecutive odd numbers is always n, so as we are talking about 50 consecutive odd numbers, so the required average of odd numbers, first 50 consecutive odd numbers is 50 only. 50 is the right answer. Why? Because if you take one small example, 135, first three consecutive odd numbers average 3. First four consecutive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. Average is 4. Average is nothing but middle number of all the given values for all the numbers. If you take first five consecutive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Average is 5. So for 3 consecutive odd numbers, average is 3. For 4 consecutive odd numbers, average is 4. For 5 consecutive odd numbers, average is 5. Similarly, for first 50 consecutive odd numbers, average is 50. Here the concept is average of first n consecutive odd numbers is always n. Whatever the value of n is given, that particular value you can directly write over there. That is the 50 is the right answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. See here. Here it is belongs to even numbers. Average of first 31 consecutive even numbers. Here the concept is the point which we already discussed is average of first n consecutive. The average of first n consecutive even numbers. Average of first n consecutive even numbers is equal to n plus 1. Is equal to what? N plus 1. Here, if you take one example, as we are talking about first n consecutive even numbers, let us take first 3 consecutive even numbers 2, 4, 6. Average is equal to middle number 4. And if you take 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 consecutive. If there are 4 consecutive even numbers, average is nothing but middle value. 4 and 5 middle value, that is 5. 4 and 6 middle value, that is 5. And next 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Average of first 5 consecutive even numbers, which is equal to 6. So the average becomes 6. If we take number of observations 3, average is 4. If we take number of observations 4, average is 5. If we take number of observations 5, average is 6. If the number of observations are 31, then the required average becomes 31 plus 1, which is equal to 32. Therefore, 32 is the average of first 31 consecutive even numbers. Average of first 31 consecutive even numbers is how much it is? 32. That is the answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. See here. What is the average of? What is the average of odd numbers from 1 to 40? Guys, this concept is what? Here, whenever we want to calculate the average of odd numbers, the average of odd numbers from 1 to n. If we want to calculate the average of odd numbers from 1 to n, which is equal to last odd number plus 1 by 2. Last odd number plus 1 by 2. Here, irrespective of the value of n, whatever the value of n, whether that particular value is even number or odd number. Well, we don't irrespective of that particular value. Here the logic is last odd number. We must take the last odd number. Here if the ending number is odd number, you can take that ending number. If the ending number is even number, you can take the last odd number, that is before number, that is 39. From 1 to 40, if you take the numbers from 1 to 40, last odd number is 39. 39 plus 1 divided by 2. 39 plus 1 which is equal to 40. 40 by 2, the value is 20. Therefore, the average of odd numbers from 1 to 40 which is equal to 20. That is the required answer for this question. Let's see the next question. That is for even numbers. What is the average of even numbers from 1 to 81? Average of even numbers from 1 to 81, and the concept is average of even numbers from 1 to n. Average of even numbers from 1 to n, which is equal to last even number plus 2 by 2. Last even number plus 2 by 2, which is equal to last even number. Here according to the question, the numbers are given as 1 to 81. The numbers are 1 to 81. From 1 to 81, last even number. What is the last even number? 80. 80 is the last even number. So 80 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to, the required average is equal to 80 plus 2, which is equal to 82. 82 by 2, that is 41. 41 is the average of even numbers from 1 to 81. Average of even numbers from 1 to 81, which is equal to 41. That is the required answer for this question. Guys, I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.